Hi everyone, this is OC from Digital Adventures. Got another fun project for you today. This is a smoke animation effect. So what we have is we have two different sprites. We have a smoke sprite and we have a truck sprite. So let me show you full screen. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the green flag and what we're going to see is smoke emitting from this truck. And so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create this. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to click out of full screen. I'm going to start at the smoke. Let's get rid of this. And so what you want to do is in costumes, what we have is just a gray dot. We want to make sure that this gray dot is placed right on top of that crosshatch there. And so let's go into code. And what we're going to do first is we're going to grab a when green flag clicked from events. And then what we're going to do first is we want to have this particle of smoke. We want it to go to the truck. And we have to do something in the truck to make sure that it comes from the hood. And so when we go into the truck, what we want to do is in costumes, what we want to do is we want to make sure that that cross hatching is right above that dot. So wherever we want that smoke to emanate from, that's where we want that cross hatching at. So I'm going to set it right there. I'm going to go back into the code and we're going to continue and finish this up. So next we're going to go into looks. We're going to grab ourselves a hide block. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves a forever loop from control. And inside of this forever loop, what we're going to do is we're going to create a clone of ourselves. And the next thing that we're going to do is we want to say what happens when I start as a clone. And so the first thing that I want to do is I want to show. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my size to. But I want these smoke things to look realistic, so I want them to vary in size. So I'm going to get ourselves a pick random. We're going to set our size to be between 5 and 10%. And then what we're going to do is go into control, get ourselves a repeat block. We're going to have this repeat 40 times till it gets up to the top essentially. And then what we're going to do is in motion, we're going to get ourselves a change Y by. We're going to get ourselves a change X by. And this is to simulate that movement, but we don't want it going to a specific position. We want a couple more pick random blocks in here. And we're going to have the change Y by vary between 0 and 15 as it goes up. And then we're going to have the change X to vary by -5 and 5. And then we're going to get another change size by block. And what we're going to do is we're going to place that in there. And then we're also going to change our ghost effect. That's going to make it look a little more transparent. So let's change this ghost effect by 2 as it goes into the air. And then we're going to change our size by a pick random. We're going to leave this as 1 to 10. And then finally, what we're going to do is we're going to delete the clone. So let's go ahead and see what this all looks like once we put it together. There's no code for the truck. The truck is, could be almost anything that you want. So we click on the green flag and we see that smoke sort of billowing into the air. So this is a way to create, an animation within a project that basically makes it more realistic. So I'm going to stop that here. Hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you back for the next one. Thank you so much.